Oh, big cough. All right, it's Sunday. Bodie, my little man here, is a handful. So wifey needed a break, and our middle son Kingston are going out on a boat with their friend besties, Marcy and Matt and a bunch of kids, so that'll be fun for them. So me and Bodie are just out for a little hike. Come on, bud. Come on. Just out for a little hike, a little one-on-one time with this guy that I don't get as much as I would like to. So it's good. One thing I've been thinking about a lot lately is it's really hard to find balance between work and family. Like, I could literally work 24/7 if I wanted to, between mortgage stuff, helping people buy houses, video projects, and then just like little ideas that I have on my own. So I kind of feel like maybe Sunday's the day to be like, sorry folks, like, I don't know, not working. On the 7th day he rested. I think that's how it goes. So yeah, so me and the bows are just out at one of my favorite trails pretty close to the house. Go for a walk, go fly the drone, and then it should be nap time. What, you want to fly it right now? You want to fly the drone? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Put it down, let's get it out. Okay, let's do it. You love the drone?
Yeah.
Do you want to walk?
Yeah.
Yeah? Or do you want me to carry you the whole time? Can I put you down? No? No? Here, look. You want to walk? Yeah, let's get down. Let's get down. Look. Let me put you down. Come on. Come on, please. Please, let's look. That's, I thought you were a big boy now. Okay, let's go walk. There you go. You want me to carry you? Do you want me to carry you? Yeah. So much for our walk. More of a carry. What do you think, little love? Should we go get lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go get some lunch. I don't know, folks, think about it. You work a lot, and I think everybody works a lot these days. When is it time to just shut it down and do what you want to do, or do something with your family? It's like my biggest struggle, I think, in life is like trying to shut off work. So I don't know, maybe that's why I like free diving and climbing so much. You can't work underwater, and you can't work while you're climbing, I guess, either. You got to be focused. So maybe I just need to do more of that, more stuff with these guys, and not worry about work so much. Maybe that's the secret, right? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.